Welcome to our short row summer here on Stolen Stitches, and we're really leaning into it with our summer seasons because we are talking all about short rows, and we're taking not one but two different types of short rows that we're going to work with, and we're going to include a little bit of lace. It won't be complex lace, a nice easy to memorize pattern, but enough for you to see how you can combine short rows in with lace pattern and an easy way of doing that. So the two techniques we're going to look at will be German short rows, which many of you may have tried before, and the second one is Japanese short rows, which is probably a less well-known one, but I'll show you why you'd use different ones and how you would do them. So that's what the technique is going to be about this summer, and the pattern is designed by me, and it's going to come with two options. The first option would be a shawl where we'll start in the middle, work out one side and then work out the other side. Or if you'd like something a little bit more wearable, we will have some optional armhole openings where you can actually wear the shawl as a vest with a draped front. So this will be the first time we've done this with summer seasons, or with any of the seasons in fact, because they've always been purely accessories up to this point. So it's kind of fun adding a little bit of variety in for this summer. So that's all about what the pattern is, what the technique, and now it's time to take a look at the yarn and look at what the yarn is and what's so special about it. So I have the stack of 3 colors over here, and this yarn has been designed for us by Life in the Long Grass. So Life in the Long Grass is a company that's very close to us here in Cork. So it's all hand dyed with obviously little bits of variation in the color based on the fact that it is hand dyed. And if you've been in the club before, you'll know you've got the choice of 3 different color options. So you pick option 1, which would be the seasonal color, option 2, which is the subtle color, or option 3, which is the bright color, which is lovely and bright this year. So those are the 3 yarn options. The yarn itself is it's hand dyed, and it's a mix of 50% merino, 50% silk. So it is really soft, luxurious with a really, really nice drape. So it'll be very, very comfortable and lightweight and drapey to wear as a summer shawl or as a summer piece of knitwear. I really did enjoy knitting with this. Regardless of what color option you pick, you'll get 2 skeins of that one color, which is enough to complete the shawl or the vest for yourself. So that's the physical thing you get if you join the full club, but that's obviously not the only thing that you'll get. You're also going to have your digital content, as well as a few other little specials. There'll be a craft goodie and some tea. Digitally, you'll get all of your patterns. You'll get a video workshop stepping you through each section of the pattern, and you'll have access to Knit Hub, where it's a private, exclusive forum where you get to chat with other knitters and watch their progress. We'll also have a Zoom launch party that you'll be invited to, and you can re-watch or ask any questions you might have along the way. Now, if you already have a lot of yarn at home that you'd like to use, we also have a digital option. So you can jump in and get the digital only, which will give you all the digital content. The part you won't get, obviously, is the physical delivery itself. So that's kind of a big overview of what it's all about. It's going to be launching soon. It'll be open for 2 weeks. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss the opening window, then find the link to our newsletter down below and you will be the first to learn when it opens again.